bike wants to go fast. This is a special one, guys. Over $20,000 of the best upgrades I've ever seen on a Ducati Panigale V4. The sun is out and I couldn't wait to share this bike with everybody. This is going to be a slightly longer video. I brought the build list with me so I don't miss a thing. And stick around to the end for some bonus behind the scenes footage during installation. Sit back and relax, or maybe save this video to watch later because this is a special one, guys. Let's check this thing out. Where to begin, guys? And yes, I am gonna start that full Akrapovic exhaust system for you guys, but why don't we start with the most impressive, in my opinion, upgrade on this bike, the Thyssenkrupp Style 1 braided carbon fiber wheels. You guys have seen these before, but I can't get enough of them. Look at this, gorgeous. These run about $4,600 a pair. Let's take a look at the front. Beautiful, beautiful. Available for most modern sport bikes. What else? Check out the STM dry clutch conversion kit. By the way, this is a 2018 Panigale V4S. Huge thanks to Dibs, my man Dibs, for bringing this bike to us. We did, I think, every single upgrade you see on this thing. Oh, incredible. Thank you, Dibs. You're the man. CNC Racing billet aluminum adjustable rear sets in black with a carbon fiber heel guard. Ducati Performance rear carbon fiber mud guard. NRC tail tidy. This one, you can put it in the current position that you see there or in kind of out position. So that's nice. Dibs chose the tuck position. I'll turn these signals on in a second. Ducati Performance swing arm cover. You'll notice there's a little blemish there, but it did its job. Rear chain and sprocket kit, Superlite 520 conversion kit with DID ZVMX 520 gold chain, Ducabike billet aluminum carrier in black with red CNC Racing sprocket bolts. And if you look closely in there, we did upgrade those polyurethane cush drive set from Drive Systems. We love Drive Systems. Here's the left side rear set. GB Racing generator left side engine cover did its job there. The Ducati Performance tank grips, Ducati Performance seat. A different seat makes a big difference, y'all. I'm sure you know already. Ducati Performance frame covers. I think they're Ducati Performance. If not, they are FullSix. I know that the carbon fiber inner covers there are FullSix. Ignition cover, I believe, is FullSix as well. Rizoma necks. These are called the necks. Fluid reservoirs, slightly smaller on the clutch side and bigger for the front brake reservoir. Oh, so much. Now for the hand controls. Most importantly, the Brembo RCS 17 Corsa Corta front brake master cylinder with that skinnier lever. Feels really good. Ducati by Rizoma brake lever guard. Rizoma Sportline grips. These are underrated, guys. I don't see these a lot on sport bikes, but this plastic here, this rubber, is very firm and grippy. It's gonna last a long time, and this is billet aluminum right where your thumb and index finger rests, so it feels really good. And I believe, now this is where it gets interesting, we got the Jetprime billet aluminum race button / throttle housing button assembly there. Beautiful, works really well. And we got the matching left side race button. I'm going to show you guys how they kind of work in just a second, but take a look at this. What this allows us to do in most cases when you want to upgrade to these racing master cylinders, typically you're going to need more clearance when that brake lever is compressed. So you need something that kind of allows the master cylinder to come in and for this bend to clear the throttle housing. So these race buttons give us that ability. On the left side, well, you just want to match the right side basically. But check out all the buttons. I'll show you guys how it works in just a sec. Lots of buttons on that thing. So check this out. These are the turn signals, left and right, cancel, and one of the buttons on the back side, if you tap it, these buttons now allow you to change other settings on the dash. Like you see the trip settings there, and this bottom green button now becomes the settings on the bottom right where you can see traction control, ABS, suspension settings, etc. And then of course the Rizoma stealth mirrors. By now you guys already know there really aren't any other options. You either go with no mirrors or the Rizoma stealth mirror. Let's talk about these for just a second. So the only complaint I've heard from people about these mirrors is that you get a lot of your arm when you're looking through them. But here's my opinion. These Rizoma stealth mirrors are primarily designed for speed, to be used in this closed position, and they look freaking amazing. Best looking mirrors on the market, hands down. If you need to look behind you or next to you, it's totally doable. I think the compromise we have to make by moving our arm or dipping our head a little bit, small price to pay in my opinion. Typically on sport bikes, you don't have a whole lot coming up behind you. You're usually passing, but you know, to each their own. Now let's not forget the Bonamici Racing billet aluminum top triple clamp, the Accossato Keyless billet aluminum gas cap. What else? The Rizoma rear brake reservoir. Don't worry guys, I'm gonna get to that exhaust in just a second. Check this out, you see that drone up there? Can you see it? That's the Santa Monica PD. What's up y'all? Thank you for your service. Hiding behind there in front of that front sprocket is a CNC Racing 29mm billet aluminum clutch slate cylinder. So what am I forgetting? Ooh, can't forget the Brembo T-Drive rotors. There are no better rotors for racing or your high-speed sport motorcycle. For those of you who have any funny ideas, we also installed the best anti-theft GPS tracker somewhere on this motorcycle. So don't even think about it. Now, let's not forget the Rizoma light unit front turn signals. Check that out. Let's take a really close look. So what you're looking at here is 3 different parts. Rizoma provides this, or offers this, mounting bracket for the Panigale specifically. So this is one part, this is the light unit, and there's also a cable kit Rizoma offers to make it an easy plug and play. But there you have it. Look at that. Best front turn signals for this bike. Prove me wrong. What else? What else? Let's take a look at the NRC rear signals flashing. There you go. I know I'm forgetting something, guys. I brought the build list, but I'm forgetting something. It's all good. Now let's turn this bike on and enjoy that dry clutch and full titanium Akrapovic exhaust system. Let's do it. Sounds like a war zone. Okay, now for the fun stuff. Join me on board while I take you through your favorite tunnel so you can hear that exhaust, that dry clutch, some quick shifting, and maybe I'll share with you how this special bike makes me feel while riding it. But look at this day. Finally, let's do this. Rizoma stealth mirrors open. Once again, big thanks to Dibs for bringing us this bike for all of these incredible upgrades. And it just came due for an annual service. We'll take care of that for them. Beautiful. So this is the original version of the Panigale V4 S model. They still look very much the same in 2023 with some ergonomic and electronic upgrades, but very much the same. Thank you for this beautiful day. Look at that. Lots of water, gotta be careful. There you go. Full Akrapovic racing exhaust system. The first thing that comes to mind is the sound of that exhaust. The vibration of that full exhaust system goes right to your bones. You can like feel the entire motorcycle. And it reminds me to get ready, stay alert, because even in stock form, this is a street legal race bike, even 100% stock, let alone with all of these performance upgrades.
Good day, sir. There it is. Beautiful Santa Monica, California. Clouds are rolling in. Feels good. Ooh, lots of traffic. Let's see what the tunnel looks like. Starting to feel the heat from this 200 plus horsepower engine. Oh yeah, it looks like construction in the tunnel. This bike wants to go fast.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see.
Don't forget to subscribe and see you very soon in the next one. Thanks, guys.